malaking bagay ang lifestyle check. Kasi alam mo yung lifestyle check, are you aware that it will take months to conduct a lifestyle check? Kasi ang daming proseso yan. Hindi, alam mo, magtatapos lang yan ng isang linggo. No? Kanyan, what I mean is personal, intensive. Kailangan mo na maraming tao to conduct a lifestyle check. Kasi iba-iba eh. Sa bangko, pupunta ka rin sa mga panila, sa mga magre-record check ka, magkakanda ka rin ng mga interviews. Kaya maraming taong gagamitin dyan. It will take months to conduct an intensive lifestyle check. Parang ang nagkakandak ng background investigation yan.
Opo.
So malaking bagay, makakakuha ka ng marami ka makakuha ng mga ebidensya niyan.
But
we've done it when I was in CIDG.
Yeah, when you were head of the CIDG, but it's going to take time. And would you agree, Mayor, that possibly a number of the assets would most probably not be named under this particular person? Yung talagang pagmamay-ari ay hindi nakapangalan yung mga ari-arian.
Alam mo, ang gagaling na nila eh. Ang gagaling nila, Pinky. Karamihan ng mga properties nila wala sa pangalan nila. Pero matrace mo naman yan. Matrace mo. May mga paper trails. Of course, you're going to interview neighbors. You're going to interview certain people na has personal knowledge. At ikakanong ka lagi ng lead. There will always be lead. If you're a good investigator, you will always find a way to gather pieces of evidence.
Marami na nga akong investigador sa social media.
Yeah, sa social media pa lang, meron nga, di ba, tinatawag natin social media exploitation and document exploitation. Doon pa lang, makakapag-mine ka na ng napakarami doon. Dito, makikita mo na lang kung ano yung mga dinidisplay nila. Ang dami niyan eh. Minsan, nakakalimutan nilang ilagay kasi nga doon sa they flaunt. They flaunt their
wealth.
Their wealth. And they're not really aware na, alam mo, they're just exposing themselves. Kaya
they're not aware that social media never forgets.